You dey look for good and reliable lab where you fit run your diagnostic test and scan? No dey look like Lucozade. Oya, Ajiwaya, go to Okahagu Molecular and Diagnostic Laboratory. Okahagu Lab na the latest lab and dem get equipment wey dey give correct result for different kind diagnostic test and scan like pelvic, abdominal, scrotal, transvaginal, obstetric, echocardiogram, electrocardiogram, ocular, transfontanel, transcranial, Doppler, thyroid neck, soft tissue, ultrasound guided biopsy, breast, full blood count, liver function and other emergencies. Okahagu Lab dey located for number 5 Badagey Street behind Ecobank for High Level, Makurdi. No waste time for your accurate medical tests and scans. Visit Okahagu Molecular and Diagnostic Lab today and experience the difference where precision testing they make as per good health. For more information and appointment, call Okahagu Lab on top 0813-928-3953 or 0805-942-6731. Okahagu Molecular and Diagnostic Lab. Correct testing for correct health.
James Ibechi. PowerPoint English.
This one is urine analyzer, which I'm sure nobody have ever seen this one yet. From our study, our research, no facility has this one yet. And this is a ECG machine, that's electrocardiography machine. This one study heart. Those with low and high blood pressure and the function of the heart, this one can tell you within a few minutes. Like this one also is a colony counter. You know, we have a section of culture there. You culture the bacteria. You want to identify different bacteria that are grown in the culture. You can come here, count the numbers of colonies. This one is digital to tell you this is that. Identify a particular bacteria. And like this
can be used also to establish whether the water system, water supply
is drinkable,
potable.
This one can be used for research work. Like this one is semi-auto chemistry. It's also a modeling machine. And this one is used to test for liver function, kidney function test, lipid profile, and so many other tests, and some electrolyte. This one also is a hormone analyzer machine. Hormone analyzer. This one can. Sir?
All cells hormones.
Yes, all cells hormones. This can run them. Fertility. You can just use this one to determine whether somebody is fertile or not. Fertility test. And this one is also an electrolyte machine. I was telling you that one can perform some electrolyte test. But this one is mainly for electrolyte. I will tell you the level of electrolytes in the body because those electrolytes determine your survivor too. So this is the machine. Another section is sonography section, and this is our scanning machine that we have been waiting for the other time. We say that we told you that it's on the way. It has arrived and installed on test run, and we are making use of it now. It's a modern ultrasound scanner with 4 probes and also a color Doppler. From our investigation and from the company that are supplying us, nobody has this one currently in Benue State. It's a modern one.
Okay. So what's it about this 4?
This 4 probe, where I am not a sonographer, but I know that this can all depends on the type of the images you want to produce or what you are investigating for. Something like scrotal, pelvic, abdominal, pelvic, this obstetric, and so many other tests. There's biopsies, and all this can perform it. With not just perform it with a color, which has a color, a black, a dark printer. If you are gotten an image and you want to picture it very well to produce the image with a colored from you can fix another colored printer and it will give you a colored printer.
That's okay.
So that is the work of it. It's very good.
This is the only machine. This is the only one. I need to
this is one of it. Not two. The other one is still on the way.
That's okay.
There are many other machines that are on the way. So now this is what we have. Right, this is microbiology units section of our laboratory, and you can see another machine here. This is electrophoresis machine. So the research work too, and mostly commonly used for genotype to determine your genotype. We have another one here, very small but mighty, that can be used. I was telling you the chemistry analyzer, they can run lipid profile, but this one is another mobile lipid profile machine. Very expensive but very portable. Anytime that you want to run on a lipid profile, we don't go to autochemistry analyzer. We make use of this.
You dey
Then
look
we
for
have
good
a
and reliable lab.
microscope,
When
two
you run your
microscopes.
diagnostic test
One
and
is here, another
scan,
one
no
is
dey
here
look
covered.
like Lucozade
Then
or
we
your
have them in
Ajiwaya.
case.
Go to
When most
Okahagu
of
Molecular and
is around,
Diagnostic
we can
Laboratory. Okahagu
this-
Lab na the
try to do
latest
the
lab
division
and dem
level.
get equipment
Then like
wey
this one is the
correct
focus
result
centrifuge.
for
We
different
use it
kind
as a
diagnostic
centrifuge
tests
to
and
have a
scan
supernatant
like
and
pelvic, abdominal,
emergencies.
scrotal,
This is focus
transvaginal,
centrifuge. This one is
obstetric,
PCV machine. That
echocardiogram,
is microremote
electrocardiogram, ocular,
centrifuge.
transfontanel,
Mainly for
transcranial,
PCV.
Doppler, thyroid neck, soft
Back
tissue,
side.
ultrasound guided biopsy, breast, full blood count,
These are
liver
a minimum
function,
of other ones,
etc. Okahagu Lab
section.
dey located for
We
number
have
5
integrated-
Badagey
we
Street
have a
behind
autoclave there.
Ecobank High
It's for
Level Makurdi.
sterilization.
No waste time
And
for your accurate
other
medical tests and scans.
things
Visit
like this.
Okahagu Molecular and Diagnostic
I'm
Lab.
also
Go
grateful for having
day
you.
and
Thank you so
experience
much.
the difference where precision testing they make as per good health. For more information